So we're interested in working with these seed harvester colonies that there are around Impala Research Station. They're colonies of several thousand ants, and they form these enormous foraging networks over a space of about everything within 40 meters radius of the nest. So one of the things we're interested in is how individuals navigate around that foraging network. Does it make a difference whether they're on a trail, like a main road going from the nest, or whether they're off a trail, whether they're carrying food at the time, or whether they're not? And so our experiments are dealing with the behavior of these individuals and how they do that. So in order to pursue this question of how individuals are navigating the foraging network, we have set up an experimental arena near the field site, and we're removing individuals from the foraging network and placing them in this experimental arena and recording how they behave in that arena. So are they able to navigate their way out of the arena? Are they completely lost? Are they just walking around in circles? And one of the things it looks like is there might be a difference between ants that are on a trail, on this main road going to and from the nest, and ants that have actually left the trail to go and look for seeds. That's what we think.
So when we're studying ant behavior, the problem with ant behavior usually is that they are stochastic, which means if you take two ants under the same conditions, they are very unlikely to behave in the same way. So in order to study ants, we have to collect a large number of data points or perform a large number of experiments on these ants. And we're talking typically on the order of hundreds of experiments, which make it practically infeasible to analyze these movements by just looking at the videos or by just observing them in the field. So what we have to do is we have to videotape everything. Every experiment we videotape it with a video camera, and then we later take those videos and analyze them using computer vision algorithms and extract the path and the heading of every ant in every experiment.